Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Should I bring an umbrella?
Yes, you should.
Must we finish this today?
No, we mustn't.
Could he come to the party?
No, he couldn't.
Might it snow tomorrow?
Yes, it might.
Would it be okay to borrow your book?
Yes, it would.
May I leave early?
No, you may not.
Will they come to the meeting?
Yes, they will.
Can she play the guitar?
No, she can't.
Should we start now?
Yes, we should.
Must he wear a tie?
No, he mustn't.
Could they help us?
Yes, they could.
Might it rain later?
Yes, it might.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, I would.
May we go outside?
No, you may not.
Will she be there on time?
Yes, she will.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I can't.
Should I wait here?
No, you shouldn't.
Must we finish all the food?
Yes, we must.
Could you help me with this math problem?
No, I couldn't.
Might she be at home?
Yes, she might.
Would it be better to take the train?
Yes, it would.
May I use your phone?
No, you may not.
Will he come to the party?
No, he won't.
Can you lift that heavy box?
Yes, I can.
Should we wait for them?
No, we shouldn't.
Must I wear a uniform to school?
Yes, you must.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Yes, I could.
Might they arrive early?
Yes, they might.
Would you like some more coffee?
No, I wouldn't.
May I borrow your pen?
Yes, you may.
Will she finish her project on time?
No, she won't.
Can he solve this puzzle?
Yes, he can.
Should they bring their passports?
Yes, they should.
Must I wear a helmet while biking?
Yes, you must.
Could we leave early if we finish our work?
No, we couldn't.
Can he swim?
Yes, he can.
Should we wait here?
No, we shouldn't.
Must she go now?
Yes, she must.
Could they help us?
Yes, they could.
Might it rain?
Yes, it might.
Would you like some cake?
Yes, I would.
May I come in?
No, you may not.
Will she be there?
Yes, she will.
Can you play guitar?
No, I can't.
Should we buy groceries?
Yes, we should.
Must he leave now?
No, he mustn't.
Could they join us?
Yes, they could.
Might it snow tomorrow?
Yes, it might.
Would you like some water?
No, I wouldn't.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.